So you've got 15 phones that are shipped, 7 are cracked, and the 8, that means that 8 are not cracked, so they're perfect condition. Everybody get that? 3 out of the first 7 that are sold, what is the probability that they're going to be cracked? So on the top, you're going to write the situation. And on the top, you're going to say, okay, out of the 7 cracked, I need 3 of those, exactly 3, right? And out of the 8 not cracked, I need the rest of the 4. Everybody understand why the 4 plus 3 is the 7? Because it's how many? And the basement is always going to be the total number I'm picking from and the total number I'm picking. So 7 NCR 3 is 35. And what is 8 NCR 4?
70.
And what is 15 NCR 7?
Under 35. Yeah.
So now multiply 35 times 70 and divide it by 6,000 and hit math enter and reduce it.
287.
Does everybody get that?